Is it time to buy or sell Netflix stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Netflix. Our initial report was published on our website on the 30th of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has identified Netflix as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 7.93. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 37.17% since we first designated Netflix as a buy candidate 52 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.71% per day since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 40% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 28% to 47%. In terms of a longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 92%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 43% and 85% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1,919.75 and $2,470.88. Our latest daily update for Netflix includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Netflix stock after gaining 1.21%. The Netflix stock price increased 1.21% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, rising from $1,323.12 to $1,339.13. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a small break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 1.52%, with a low of $1,321.21 and a high of $1,341.27. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 10.48% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 612,000 shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.33 billion. It's important to consider that declining volume, coupled with rising prices, can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $1,341.27, while the lowest price was $587.04. Currently, the price is 0.16%, or $2.14, below the 52-week high of $1,341.27, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Netflix is making headlines today with its exciting new partnership with NASA, set to enhance its live television offering by bringing live space programming to the platform later this summer. This collaboration not only positions Netflix as a pioneer in innovative streaming content, but also taps into a niche audience interested in space exploration, potentially attracting new subscribers and increasing viewer engagement. The initiative includes NASA's plans to stream rocket launches, which could create significant buzz and draw attention not only from regular subscribers, but also from educational and science-focused demographics. As live and interactive content becomes a focal point for streaming platforms, Netflix's commitment to evolving its offerings may strengthen its competitive edge in the streaming wars. Wall Street analysts are taking notice, having recently elevated Netflix's price targets along with its stock performance, which has soared over 47% this year. While some analysts caution that Netflix shares are overvalued, this kind of institutional interest generally bolsters stock market confidence in the short term. In the long term, if Netflix can successfully retain viewers with this new content strategy and maintain its upward trajectory in subscriber growth, its stock could continue to benefit, counteracting some of the bearish views from skeptics on Wall Street. Overall, This collaboration with NASA signifies a strategic move that may further solidify Netflix's position in the streaming landscape while appealing to diverse audiences. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NFLX a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned NFLX a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned NFLX an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned NFLX a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Thursday, the 15th of May, 2025, it was reported that Evercore ISI assigned NFLX an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Netflix stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Netflix. The chart today reflects mostly positive signals. The Netflix stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Moreover, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $1,286.89 and $1,216.95. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 4th of April, 2025. And so far, the stock has risen by 56.47%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume declined during the last trading day despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 59 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 51 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Netflix. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1,110 and $1,049.59. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, Netflix has support just below today's level at $1,110. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1,049.59 and $1,040.34. This stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $20.06 between its high and low, which is 1.52%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.01%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Netflix, let's take a moment to review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 17th of July, 2025. Analysts are projecting consensus estimates at $7.05. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Netflix. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Netflix encounters its first support level at $1,110. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Netflix from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 25th of June, 2025, Leslie J. Kilgore executed an insider purchase of 212 shares of common stock. On the same day, Leslie J. Kilgore also conducted an insider sale of 212 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 25th of June, 2025, Leslie J. Kilgore sold 212 shares of non-qualified stock options. On the 25th of June, 2025, Jeffrey William Karbowski made an insider purchase of 146 shares of common stock. On the same day, Jeffrey William Karbowski purchased another 474 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 27.309. In total, insiders acquired 33,278 shares and disposed of 58,465 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1,300.30, which reflects a decrease of 2.9%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 80, significantly heightening the risk factor. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 58 days ago. Is Netflix stock a good buy? Netflix shows several positive signals and is currently in a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Thus, we believe it is a sound investment at these levels, and we anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of July, we expect Netflix to open lower by $5.26, starting at $1,333.87. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.